The purpose of this video is to show you how to get XRP. I know the title says purchase XRP, but we're not going to be purchasing XRP. We're going to get XRP. We're going to get XRP from Exodus. Now, my previous videos have been about how to get XRP from KuCoin. Well, KuCoin no longer does business with people that live in the United States, so that's out of the question. Don't worry, you can still get your funds off the KuCoin exchange. So what you need to do is first download the Exodus wallet right here. The link will be down below in the description. Make sure you use the link in the description because you will be helping the channel out. I do get a small commission every time you download and use the Exodus wallet with the swap feature. I do earn a little bit of money from that, but you also get the opportunity to have some discounts on the fees associated with the swap feature that we're going to get into in the Exodus wallet right now. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go to this website, use the link down below in the description to get to this website, and make sure you enter the referral code. Without the referral code, you don't have access to the discount on the trading fees, well, the swap fees that are built into the Exodus wallet. Now, you're going to end up on this website right here, and you are going to download the Exodus wallet. You can download it for your mobile phone, iOS, and Android. They're both supported, so make sure you get the app. The app is fantastic. The app is intuitive to use, just like the desktop. So we're going to start with the desktop, but you can go ahead and download the application for your mobile device if you don't want to use it on your desktop. You're holding the cryptocurrency in your own possession when you use the Exodus wallet. This is not like keeping your cryptocurrencies on an exchange, which I highly do not recommend you do. So download the Exodus wallet right here, link below in the description. Now, here are some of the features for the Exodus wallet. If you do not live in the United States, you can simply purchase XRP from within the Exodus wallet. But if you do live in the United States like me and probably a few other people that are watching this video, then you will not be able to purchase XRP directly. However, you can download and install this Exodus wallet and you can swap any cryptocurrency that you desire for XRP. Well, maybe not any cryptocurrency, but you can swap some of the more popular cryptocurrencies for XRP. So if you decide to go to Coinbase, or you can purchase a cryptocurrency directly inside the Exodus wallet. So if you want to purchase some Litecoin inside the Exodus wallet and swap that Litecoin for XRP, you can do that in 2 easy steps. Now let's go over some of the features that are available in the Exodus wallet on their website. Exodus Bitcoin and crypto wallet, the only wallet you'll ever need, 50 plus networks supported. Swap between thousands of assets. See, that's the key right there. It says swap between thousands of assets. So don't let some regulators regulate the cryptocurrency that you can own. If you want some XRP, get you some XRP, and you can do it easily by downloading the Exodus wallet and installing the Exodus wallet on your mobile device or your desktop or both. And they will synchronize between the 2 or the 3, however many devices you have, but they can all be synchronized and show everything that's happening on your Exodus wallet on your PC as well as on your mobile device. We can watch a video.
Hello and welcome to the new Exodus application platform. Exodus is simplifying how we interact with crypto applications so that we can all reap the rewards of decentralized finance and crypto apps without having to be blockchain geeks. No more having to download separate apps. No more visiting websites that require multiple steps just to send crypto from point A to point B. No more long user manuals or boring videos.
No more jumping through a whole bunch of hoops to get the cryptocurrency that you desire. If you want to get XRP, you can get it right there in the Exodus wallet. You want to get XDC, you can get it right there in the Exodus wallet. You want to get Stellar Lumens, Exodus wallet. You see where I'm going with this? You need to have the Exodus wallet. So let's go over a little bit more features. Buy crypto with your local currency. Start your crypto journey using your credit or debit card, bank account, Apple Pay, or Google Pay. Multi-chain Web 3.0 wallet. Buy crypto with USD and other local currencies. Manage your NFTs across multiple networks. Crypto and Web 3.0 on mobile device. That's the application. That's how the application looks. It's very intuitive, really easy to use. You don't really need a tutorial on how to use the mobile app for Exodus. If you do need one, leave a comment down below if you want me to put together a tutorial. Experience the world's best cryptocurrency wallet from any location. Sync with your Exodus desktop app. Swap crypto in just 2 taps. Right there. Swap crypto. Swap, not buy. Swap crypto. Monitor the market movement on the go. 50 plus networks supported. Oh, what's that right there? Is that XRP? Oh. Best Bitcoin wallet for beginners according to Investopedia. Manage crypto on desktop. That is what the desktop application looks like. A new world of crypto apps. You got different applications that you can install in the Exodus wallet. Built-in swap, 24/7 human support, live charts and portfolio, Exodus wallet and Trezor. So if you have a Trezor wallet, you can use your Trezor wallet to unlock your Exodus wallet, and you can commingle the 2 wallets if you have your Trezor wallet and an Exodus wallet. So they will work together. All in one wallet to secure, manage, and swap blockchain assets. So there you have it right there. I mean, that's all, folks. We really don't have to get into the details or the meat and potatoes of it because it's intuitive to use. It's easy to install. It's available on any platform. And what more do you want? This is the best way. This is the easiest way to get your hands on some XRP. Now, there are fees involved with swapping. Just like anything in life, there are some fees. Nothing is free. You will have to pay some fees when you perform a swap. Now, I do have a solution that will give you some lower fees when you are trying to get your hands on some XRP. But that video is a little bit more detailed, and I've actually already done that video. If you want to find out how to get your hands on XRP without the expenses of the swap fees, lower fees, a lot lower fees, then you will have to do a little bit of work. But I've already created a video that you can see. I'm going to put the video either here or there. I'm going to put a card on the screen somewhere in that area, that vicinity over there. It's going to be on the screen, somewhere on the screen, and a link will be down below in the description to that video as well. So look at that video, get yourself some XRP. The video that I've created in the past, it applies today in 2023. We are in July. So July 2023, that old video that I did a few months ago showing you how to get XRP on Mandela. Make sure you watch the video and use the links, because if you don't use the link, you won't save on the trading fees that are associated with the exchange. Now, even though there are trading fees on the Mandela exchange, the trading fees are very low. So it's a fantastic exchange, and I'll show you how to get to that and get that done in the video down below in the description. Everything you need is in the description down below. Check it out. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know if you want me to do a full tutorial on any of these, or anything. Just leave a comment down below and let me know how you feel. So, peace.